What is a main menu? Main menu is the primary navigation area that helps users move between key sections of a website. Visual identification. 1. Location on the page. Usually found at the top of the page, sometimes placed on the left side in dashboards or web apps. 2. Contains primary navigation links like Home, About Us, Contact, Blog. 3. Consistent across pages. The main menu remains the same on all pages. Helps users navigate without confusion. HTML DOM. Identification. Right-click, inspect element. Search for menu name like Home. Look for tags like CSS. Classes like Menu, Navbar, Header menu. Common bugs. 1. Menu items not clickable. 2. Incorrect navigation. 3. Menu overlaps content. 4. Active menu not highlighted correctly. So next time you open a website, don't just click the menu. Test it like a real QA. Follow for more.